Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious chicken curry recipe. And here are the ingredients. Here I prepared already washed chicken parts, coconut milk, 2 pieces of already cut carrots and potatoes, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, already cut 2 pieces of onion, 4 cloves of smashed garlic, and a sliced ginger, and few green chili optional. Now let's get started. Let's season our chicken parts. Here I prepared teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of curry powder and salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Let's season our chicken. Mix them all together. Done. Put aside. With our cooking pot, let's heat the oil. Once the oil hot, let's fry our potatoes and onion. Carrot. Let's fry for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's remove them from the pan. After removing them, set aside. With the same pan, let's fry our seasoned chicken. Frying time is 2 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, let's turn it on the other side and fry it also for about 10 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's remove them from the pan. After removing them all, set aside. And with the same pan, let's fry our ginger, sliced ginger. Let's add our sliced onion. And now let's add our garlic. And now let's put back our fried chicken. Let's add our curry powder. And our coconut milk. Let's mix a little bit. Cover it and let's boil for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, let's add our fried potatoes and carrots. And let's boil it for about 10 minutes. Smells good. And after 10 minutes, let's check our curry. Soft. Let's add our green chili, optional. Leave it for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's check our chicken curry. Now, our delicious chicken curry recipe with coconut milk is ready to serve. Now let's put it in the serving plate. And our delicious chicken curry with coconut milk recipe is ready to serve.